A hyena does not always laugh. It walks steadily across open ground, shoulders rolling gently with each step. The movement is uneven only in appearance. In rhythm, it is smooth and deliberate. Its head remains low, not in caution, not in secrecy, simply aligned with the path ahead. Dust gathers softly around its paws and settles again without trace. The tail hangs relaxed, swaying slightly as it moves through tall grass. There is no chase unfolding, no tension pressing into the air, only a quiet crossing of distance. Its ears tilt once toward a distant sound, then return to stillness. The body continues forward at the same measured pace. Strength here is not dramatic, it is enduring. The hyena belongs to this wide space as naturally as the wind moving across it. Around it, the savannah remains balanced. Grass bends and rises. Far silhouettes shift gently against the horizon. Nothing fractures the calm. If this steady movement feels grounding, there are longer journeys waiting. Extended films where hyenas travel slowly across open plains, where the wild unfolds without urgency, where distance is crossed without rush. Subscribe to stay connected to these quiet landscapes and return whenever you need a rhythm that moves without pressure.